Hello everyone, this is a Vornalex heavy duty lifting hook for a forklift. Lifting capacity is 6,600 pounds. Comes with a clevis, comes with a lifting hook, 360 degrees rotation. As you can see, it's coated in paint, looks pretty nice. The nut's welded on so it doesn't come off. Let me put this together. Let me do a quick measurement on the inside of these openings. The lower section, it looks like 1.38 inches, and at the thicker section, the wider opening, it's 1.7, yeah, 1.706. Okay folks, I got it all hooked up to this jet ski. It's a 3-person jet ski, weighs 1,000 pounds, and to show it in action. Okay, so here it is, all jacked up. This lifting hook works awesome. I say the only drawback that I see right now is this could have been a little bigger, just because I've got somewhat thicker forks, but shouldn't be an issue. Couldn't be happier.